How to open mic on Litmatch app. Firstly, open Play Store or App Store on your device and search for Litmatch app. Now install it on your device and open it. If you haven't already, then log into your account or sign up. I'm just gonna continue with Google. Now you will need to follow all these steps to create your account. Let me just finish the process. Once you have finished this process, you will land to the home page. In your home page, you will see an interface like this. At the very top, there are two sections, Soul Game and Voice Game. Click on the second option, Voice Game. Now you will need to give permission to use your microphone. Click on Confirm. After that, select Allow. Now it will start the matching process. If you want to speed up the process, click on Accelerate. However, to speed up the process, you will need a subscription. Once you upgrade, then you will get this feature. Once you match with someone, then you can talk to them through your microphone. That's all for today. Thank you.